About 3 weeks ago, had a powder day, and we skied the Minturn Mile, and I lost my GoPro. Pretty much at the start. Time to go hunting for my GoPro. With my heavy shovel, dug around for it, couldn't find it. Still out here digging. Now I'm hiking up again with a metal detector. Hopefully I have better luck this time. Finally got to the spot. A little glissading time. Let's go. So that thing is trash. It can only scan about 2 or 3 inches below the snow. So I've been digging. Lots of digging. I certainly was not expecting 4 feet of snow to still be here. South side, there's a nice layer of crust. Hopefully I won't post hole on my way back. On the hike up, I came on the north bank thinking this would just be non-stop post holing. And hiking on that's very slow. And there I am. Jinxed myself. Third and final rescue attempt for my GoPro on the Minturn Mile. I tried skiing down to it. I tried hiking up to it. There's too much snow. Waited a good bit, and this time biked up to it. So I'm back at the spot for the third time. Finally no longer 4 feet of snow to dig through. Doing the Minturn Mile. Come down here and over this creek there's like a little bump. So I hit it like a jump. Been searching all around here. I was just about to give up on my search. I started walking back this way. And there it is. All the way over here by the tree. Almost 2 months later, I got the little bastard. Whew. Back to the bike. Mission successful, GoPro recovered. Hiking complete, back on single track. Now time to bomb down 1,000 feet of vert. And for those wondering, it still works.